Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency to Miss Maskurin Fajarina. My name is Aska Zakiuddin. I from PAI 3E. I will present my future plan. The slide 1 is graduate with a top-tier religious bachelor's degree. This is the absolute primary and non-negotiable goal that must be accomplished 100%. The focus is not just on acquiring the diploma, but on achieving academic excellence and potentially a high GPA. This degree serves as the foundational capital and legitimizing factor for all subsequent professional and educational pursuits, establishing credibility in the religious and academic spheres. And then, slide number 2 is internalization of religious knowledge. Going beyond more textbook knowledge or rote memorization, this means ensuring the religious science is deeply ingrained in the heart and mind, becoming a spiritual compass and a strong moral framework. The objective is to truly live the knowledge, not just pass it, making it the soul that guides all future action and professional endeavors. Slide 3. Produce an impactful thesis or dissertation. The final academic work will be chosen strategically, focusing on a topic that is highly relevant, applicable, or can bridge traditional religious studies with modern societal issues. This thesis will serve as the first major professional project, demonstrating the ability to conduct serious research and present complex religious concepts in a contextual and problem-solving manner. Slide number 4. Proactively bridge religious studies and professionalism. Acknowledging the current job market reality, this point commit to proactively developing transferable skills necessary for a religious graduate to thrive in the professional world beyond the traditional roles, like involves adopting an entrepreneurial mindset where the strong religious background is leveraged not limit. Slide number 5. Achieve engaging public speaking mastery. The goal is to perfect communication delivery so that speech and teaching material are pleasant to listen to, easy to understand, and not boring. This involves studying rhetorical techniques, vocal projection, and audience engagement strategies to ensure the message is delivered effectively and captivatingly, making complex religious ideas accessible to a modern audience. Slide number 6. Acquire tutoring and teaching assistant experience. Actively seeking and undertaking opportunities as a tutor or teaching assistant while still in school or immediately after. This practical experience is crucial for stress testing teaching methodologies, handling diverse student personalities, and receiving real-time feedback, moving the theoretical knowledge of education into effective real-world application. Slide number 7. Attend contemporary teaching workshop. Commitment to continuous professional development by attending workshops focused on modern, interesting teaching methods and contemporary styles. It includes learning how to use technology like interactive polls, gamification, and digital whiteboards to enhance the learning experience and making the delivery of religious instruction is relevant and engaging for the current generation. Slide number 6. Develop personal curriculum and teaching module. The ultimate application of teaching skill is the ability to independently design and structure a coherent set of teaching module or an entire curriculum. To ensure the religious knowledge can be systematically transferred to others, allowing for customized content and perfectly integrates the core religious foundation with the acquired technical skills. Slide number 8. Mastering design software. Intensive study and practical application of industry standard graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop is mandatory. The objective is to move from basic proficiency to a professional level, capable of creating complex visual, infographic, and aesthetically pleasing material that can beautifully package complex religious concepts for visual consumption. Slide number 10. Mastering video editing. Dedicate learning a practice on professional video editing platforms such as Adobe Premiere Pro. In the digital era, video content is king. The skill ensures the ability to produce high-quality short film, educational video series, and professional presentation that are seamlessly edited and visual dynamic and changing to reach the message. Slide number 11. A paradigm shift in content creation. Slide number 11 is creating visual force and materials. Paradigm shift in content creation, recognizing that if the material is not packaged nicely, who wants to see it? The means making the visual presentation of religious and educational content a priority. All future projects, from lecture to social media posts, must be designed from a very visual perspective to maximize engagement and comprehension. Slide number 11. The culmination of design and editing focus in the capability to independently project content and presentation. Ebooks or short videos that look at professional artists from a real studio. This high production quality standard is essential for establishing authority and professional credibility in the digital content space. Slide number 13. In-depth understanding of photography techniques. Moving beyond simply snapping pictures, this point requires a deep commitment to mastering the technical aspect of photography: aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and lens selection. The goal is to gain full control over the camera to ensure every image is deliberate, technically sound, and contribute meaningfully to the overall message. Slide number 40. Creating story and telling photos. Photography must become a tool for narrative. The focus is on playing with light and composition to ensure that the resulting photograph can tell a story. This image will be used to just a decoration but as powerful visual aid that emotionally connect the audience to the present religions or educational material. Slide number 15. Building a personal visual library. Systematically creating and curating a large collection of high-quality, self-taken photographs as visual library. This research ensures that all future content, presentation, ebooks, and videos is supported by unique, original, and copyright-free imagery that perfectly aligns with the professional brand and message, providing maximum control over visual quality. Slide number 60. Establishing an integrated skill set. The most critical goals ensuring the religious background remain the soul, while the teaching, design, and photography skill function as the hands and feet. The entire plan revolves around creating a cohesive professional persona where these diverse skills work in synergy, making the individual a unique and multi-talent expert. Slide number 17. Maximizing content synergy is achieving the awesome vision or teaching with material that are packaged with cool design, supported by highly quality photos by taken by myself, and this synergy is the practical demonstration of the integrated skill set, resulting a teaching or presentation style that is superior, highly memorable, and professionally distinctive. Slide number 18. commitment to lifelong learning. This is a philosophical commitment